Hi guys, in this video I'm going to cover the content of sources of data collection, which is part of BTEC Business Level 3, Unit 7. So the sources of data collection. There are two types of methods for data collection, primary and secondary. This would be based on whether it was collected within the business, known as internal, or outside the business, known as external. Now, primary sources. Primary research is data that has gathered or that is being gathered for the first time and data that has not been gathered before. This means that the data that is gathered is original, even if the results of the data collected is the same as before, the information will still be original. Primary data can be collected internally or externally. So examples of internal primary data sources: production costs, customer details, sales figures, and employee CVs or appraisals. Examples of external primary data sources: customer responses of goods and services, questionnaires and surveys, interviews, focus groups, or mystery shoppers. Secondary research. Secondary research uses data that has already been collected before. This is information that has already been collected by the business before, or information that is collected using another organization or from another organization. Examples of internal secondary data sources: data on customers collected from loyalty cards, sale records which help know what type of products are being purchased, and previous market research. Now, examples of external secondary data sources is reports that are issued by the government, international data collection, trade journals and websites, books and newspapers, industry reports, and public records. Storage. There are rules as to how a business must store their data and also how long they are allowed to keep data in the business. Now, the security of information. Information should be kept secure in accordance to how sensitive the data is. Different industries will have different rules on how data should be kept and for how long it should be kept. Legislative. It is very important that the business are up to date with the legal requirements about data storage. Now, if a business does not meet this, then the consequences will be severe. Now, the main acts a business has to follow is one, the Data Protection Act 1998, and the second one is the Computer Misuse Act 1990. Regulatory and ethical issues. Government regulations vary depending on what country the business is in. Now, businesses have to constantly monitor to see if there are any changes to law. All businesses have to keep information secure and not use it for the wrong manner. The analysis, comparison, and evaluation of data. Now, when a business is collecting data, the data that is collected should have a purpose. To inform the business plan, the data will have to be analyzed and compared to check the reliability and the validity. Then the data can be evaluated. So a business needs to plan what they need to find out. Then they need to identify how they'll find it out and then prepare. How are they going to analyze the data? Hopefully this video helped you understand the different sources of data, primary and secondary. If you like this video, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want regular updates on resources and videos, then follow my Instagram. If you want short business revision clips, then follow my TikTok. And if you want the PowerPoint to this video, then you can go to my test shop or link down below in the description box.